Wagwan people, I missed you guys so much. Oh gosh, man. But make we get into it now. Bounty Killer upset about dancehall. Ramesh was gifted land by Shenseea. Rihanna +1 in Vogue magazine. New music and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Bounty Killer is upset with some Jamaicans he describes as wannabes and sellouts in the music industry who he claims are constantly elevating other genres above reggae and dancehall. The poor people defender, Bounty Killer, claims that foreigners embrace the country's genre, but these musical traitors continue their acts of treachery, depriving children of the music of their forefathers. He made the statement on his Instagram saying, "One of the main reasons why non-Jamaican can't be winning Grammy for reggae over Jamaicans is because our younger generations is not embracing it as they should be doing. You heard more rap, trap, Afrobeat, and drill than reggae in our parties today." Bounty Killer continued to say, "Wannabes sell out Jamaicans, helping extinct dancehall directly and indirectly, no root without the roots. Our kids aren't into reggae, but kids and youngsters over the world is studying and practicing our music and culture while we here forming fools." Still Soldier album didn't better than Grams, Etana, Jesse since it was a reggae battle, but it tells the plot. Wise up, Jamaicans. In another post, Bounty Killer stood his ground that he was not in support of the watered down or any attempts to replace authentic dancehall music with trap sounds. Grammy Award-winning reggae artist Buju Banton went to visit the rapper, now opposition leader in Belize, Shine Barrow, last Tuesday. It is not certain what the nature of the visit was, but the Belizean politician hinted that it might be a personal reason in an Instagram post stating, "It is such a pleasure to receive a personal visit in Belize from my brother at Buju Banton," under a photo of them both smiling in front of a private jet. Shine served nearly a decade-long sentence in a United States prison for the part he played in a 1999 club shooting. He was subsequently deported back to Belize. Since his return to his home country, Shine was appointed the country's ambassador of music, charged with the sustainable development of the music industry in Belize, and has donated hundreds of thousands of dollars to develop it. On the other hand, Buju Banton spent the same amount of time in prison for possession of cocaine before being released in 2018. Happy for this link up. Hope it's fruitful for both individuals. Best gift ever, said artist manager and businessman Ramesh, from the lane to the main. Ramesh shared the news of Shenseea buying him a land next to his Ramesh Entertainment headquarters establishment on Campbell's Boulevard in Kingston. Just weeks ago, Shenseea gifted her team her day ones Rolex watches and vowed that as long as she is able, there is nothing she will not do for them. Here's a bite of his gratitude and a glimpse of his land. Take a look.
People, look how life good, man. Born and grow yourself, you know. All time walk out, Campbell, man. This, I'm a dream to have that sucker up on the main. So I own the lane to the main. I'm just going to big up to Shenseea because she buy this to give me. See that? You see that, people? One Sheng Yang. I love you. Thank you so much. See, that's why I do good. I go to reach.
Easy does it when Koffee performed at Coachella. Over 125,000 screaming fans inside the Empire Polo Grounds Indio venue. The Grammy Award-winning Koffee kicked off her performance with her single Rapture as she entered the stage. She performed songs such as Gifted from her new album, which was at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart earlier this month and is currently at number 3. X10, Runaway, Toast, and a few others completed the coffee experience at Coachella. If crowd engagement during her performance and social media reactions in its aftermath were any indication, it would appear that the Toast singer made quite the impression on audiences tuned into the Coachella Festival. She also performed her 2020 smash hit Lockdown. Me I go put it on lockdown? Yeah. Coffee will perform again at the festival on Saturday, April 23rd as part of Weekend 2, which will run between April 22nd to the 24th. Oh baby, Rihanna's Plus One is the title of the Vogue cover with a graceful picture of the Barbadian business mogul. In the Vogue magazine issue, Rihanna talks about her relationship with her partner A$AP Rocky, baby, getting pregnant and her concern about postpartum depression. She even discussed pregnancy cravings. She said she usually hates desserts, but all of a sudden, you come close to her with a chocolate-covered donut and you've got her heart forever. She also said tangerines are also something she eats by the dozen, sprinkled with salt. It has to be with salt and only with salt, because in Barbados, we take our fruits to the ocean and soak them. She's quoted as saying. Rihanna also talked about her non-maternity style since announcing her pregnancy and casually wearing her baby bump publicly. I'm hoping that we were able to redefine what's considered decent for pregnant women, she told the magazine. My body is doing incredible things right now, and I'm not going to be ashamed of that. This time should feel celebratory. Because why should you be hiding your pregnancy? When it comes to the actual act of giving birth, she disclosed she's a bit apprehensive. And what frightens her the most is postpartum depression. Will I feel out of control emotionally? Those are the stories that I hear from other women that scare me, Rihanna told Vogue. Congrats again, Rihanna, and safe delivery from the PBCJ family. Now we're at New Music, my favorite part of the show. And on this week's New Music, we feature Ghost with Beautiful Feeling, Ding Dong with Happiness, Mina Ina Don't Know with Stress, Lali featuring Crystal with Bing Bang, Shenseea featuring 21 Savage with Are You That, Javinci with Where Would I Be, and Kez featuring Jay Perry with Licky Ticky. Take a look.
I can't imagine living life and it's without you, babe. You are the rhythm that complements the words, girl, to my soul. There's nothing like this feelings to me that I've ever known. Thinking it's a dream I'll be awakened from. 'Cause I've never, ever felt like this before. Rainy days, sunny weather, you're the same girl.
I have my house and I have my car. Have my drink and I have my bar. Have my peace and I don't want war. Have my riches, I don't need part. Got my money, I got my girl. Got my diamonds, I got my pearl. Got my things and I got my wings. And me fly every day, I'm the Lord of Wings. Everybody sing happiness. Whoa, we not in nothing with stress. Gonna fake friend, gonna bad mind. We don't want no friendship from them. Sing again now. Happiness. Whoa, we not in nothing with stress.
Bang bing, come round for your little song sing. Bro said he can't trust these girls no more, cause she just wants to see the long thing. Show that for your fling, dang ding. We fi play a drunk ping pong pong ping. Me and a brown man did sweet, but me left him in a street car, him said the wrong thing. Daddy no shoes, me na broke from it now. Pure name brand pun, no me skin, me na broke for it now. Turn up in a rich man shop, them fi run we check, we na broke pocket. Hey girl, what you want tell Joe Byron? Take time and don't stop whining. Black belly up when I up sliding, no face, no case, no stop the grinding.
Are you that hitter that can love me right? Are you that hitter that can last all night? Are you that hitter that you won't tell us? Are you that hitter? Are you that hitter? Are you that hitter with the funds on 10? Are you that hitter who won't touch my friends? Are you that hitter live between my legs? Are you that hitter? Are you that hitter?
And then can be whatever. Anytime you want, whenever you need. Shout a hustler, the female version of me. Got my bed with her nickname overseas.
While down on Mondays, that's where you set me free. I'm thanking you, Lord, cause you provide my needs. Light in the darkness, source of my strength. And you I can rely when I need your help. Shout it on the mountains, lift your voice to heaven. God, you are my father, and whom I can depend.
I'll go down like licky-ticky, 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 licky-ticky. We have a style like licky-ticky, 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 The way she go like licky-ticky, 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 licky-ticky. Come and we jam like licky-ticky, licky-ticky, licky-ticky. That's the vibe, yeah.
That's the vibe, come get it, yo. Hit me with the one drop and let it go. Anywhere the girl, them a dead there, yo. We in your area, oh, I. So baby, come, that we live it up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these people. Happy birthday to you. On this week's birthday shout out, we give a warm and a happy and a pleasant shout out to Stephen Marley, Sizzla Kalonji, Big Youth. And guess what? Happy birthday. And it's not a birthday celebration if I don't say big up you. Continue to do great work. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy Collection for my earrings each and every week. Remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a story, a new music video that you love us to carry, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Have a great weekend. Keep safe, spread love, and enjoy this weekend. Pick up your food, go to the beach. Just enjoy the moment of this weekend. And guess what? Big up you!